Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to transcribe your audio with 11labs or convert your speech to text. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the 11labs website, which is 11labs.io, and click on the sidebar menu and scroll down and choose the speech to text option. This brings us to a page very similar to this. All you have to do at this point is to upload the audio you want to be transcribed. Once you upload it here, click on this option below, which is transcribe files, and then you can, once the files have been transcribed, you can now download or copy them to where you would love them to be. So this is how to convert your speech to text and to transcribe your files on 11labs. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment below and subscribing to the channel. Thank you.